Okay, so today we want to show you a Kemper 4500 header, 6-row header. The importance of the pull in the tooth right above the cutting knife, okay? So you all know the cutting knife spins really fast, cuts the stalk off, and then there's 4 fingers grab the stalk and move it into the throat. The bottom finger gets a lot of wear. And most people can't see how much wear it has on it. Sorry. It's very sharp for one. It's not supposed to be sharp. The reason this header is not feeding very well is because this is sharp and it's actually doing a little bit of the cutting the stalk while it's bringing it to the head. So we sell a very affordable piece to be welded on top of the finger. And as you can see, it's in its spot. You want to be flush with the front. Very important to be flush with the front, because as that stalk is right here, what's got to happen to that stalk when it goes to the small drum, it's got to be released. So there cannot be any debris or anything there interrupting that trade-off, okay? So it's very important to weld it right here, and we'll go around the back here a minute. Keep your weld right in the back here, not to go above the piece because there's a scraper right above there in the back. So keep your weld underneath and weld it right here, okay? No weld on the leading edge. Our catalog stresses that, our website stresses that, because that's where the handoff begins. As you can see, these points are very extremely wore. You will have to probably bend them because they wear thin and they get flat. You'll have to bend them a little bit and kind of doctor them up, weld the back and weld this. And you'll have a new machine. Now, after you do that several times, I'm sure that you've mounted these points as close to these fingers as possible for optimal feeding performance. These points will have to then be located ahead. So these points right now are all the way back because of the wear. So after you weld them all on, before you turn the machine on, loosen the 4 bolts, throw the points ahead. And we have a tool that you can adjust the rods or anything bent on here in our catalog as well. It's a very affordable tool. Everybody has them. And if you don't have one, you need one.